Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing yet another version of a deconstructed envelope card that I came up with. I already showed you two versions before, this one and that one, and this is a third version. So these two cards are actually, well, sort of the same. There are slight differences, but the base is the same, the foundation is the same. But I did them up completely differently with different paper collections, different colors, as you can see here. So let's take a look up close. So let's start with the first one. This one I created with Graphic 45's Mon Amour collection. So that is a lovely romantic collection. You could use it for Valentine, but also for wedding anniversaries or weddings even, well, any occasion actually that celebrates something romantic. So what I did was a magnetic closure here. So open it up, and I used the ATC cut aparts that came with the cut apart sheet from this collection. The beauty of this design is that you won't need an entire collection of like 20 sheets or 24 sheets. You will only need 4, and that is including a cut apart sheet with some ATC cards like these, or simply 4 sheets and do your own mats. That is double-sided, so you will have more choice of patterns. So let's open these doorlets and you can see the inside. So these are more cut aparts, and I did a little die cutting here. So a stack of hearts, that is a Crealis die cut or die. So there you go. And as you can see, I did some corner punching, which is always nice to add some extra interest. So closing it up again. And let's go to the back. And this simply is a cut apart sheet that I cut to size without cutting everything apart. So you have a nice collage that comes with the pattern in your paper. So this was the Mon Amour one with the magnetized closure. Now, as I told you in the beginning, there are some slight differences with the second iteration of this same design, because here I used a ribbon closure. Well, and I decorated, as you can see, with some feathers and a flower, and here I cut apart a little sentiment, and then I die cut some leaves here, some branches. So here you can see the doorlets up front. So opening these, and now you find the ATC ones on the inside. So it's the other way around compared to the Mon Amour one, where I did it like this. So there's a variation for you to play with. Now again, with some cut aparts, these cut apart sheets differ slightly per collection. This is Graphic 45 as well, so I again used a cut apart sheet. And this is the Midnight Masquerade collection. And what you see is that the size of these cut aparts here is not exactly ATC size. So let's compare. You can see that this one is actually 4x6. And this one is smaller. And here, the smaller one is 3x4, so actual ATC size. And this one is not. So there are some differences per collection, but you can play with that. Just cut everything to the size that you need. Now here I did a little envelope die cutting, so I folded the envelope together, put a little tag in there, and it says knuffel in Dutch, which means hug. And this is actually a die cut sentiment, and then I stickled it, so added glitter glue to a die cut sentiment. So that is how you get that really neat. And then here, of course, is room to write the personal message. And then here I lifted another sentiment, beautiful, and then I stickled around that as well, lifted it with some dimensional tape. And all of that works like a deconstructed envelope as well, with the panels closing everything up again. So there you go. So two different variations of the same design, simply playing around with where the flaps are. Are they on the outside or are they on the inside? Okay, so these were the two cards that I based on my third deconstructed envelope design. If you like it, leave a comment below. And of course, press the like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.